Hello, and welcome to this tutorial of the Elementi software. Today we'll be going over how to use the Click to Switch widget. This interactive widget can be used to display different types of content pages by clicking on different navigation buttons, making this widget ideal for users who would like to have basic interactive content that does not navigate to different pages. To get started, let's go to the bottom left to our Browse panel and click on the Widgets tab. Let's scroll down to their Interactivity folder, double click into it, and drag and drop our Click to Switch widget into our project. I'm just going to resize it using the arrows to make it a little bit larger. After I've done this, I'm just going to double click into the widget in the Edit panel. Once I'm inside of the widget, I'm going to go to the Mappings tab. And here you'll see two columns. The first is Button. So these are all the buttons that you see here in the preview panel. And Page. So these are all the pages that will be displayed in this space, larger space, here in the preview panel. The first button is really just the default page. So this is what's just going to show up by default when no buttons are selected. Button 1 will take you to page 1 and button 2 will take you to page 2. Exit will go back to your default content. So let's start by just dragging and dropping some images and videos that we'd like to display. So I'm going to pick this video, this video, and I'm going to grab two images as well. Okay, now that I have my images and videos, I'm going to go ahead and create a third button. So the easiest way to do this is just to copy one of your buttons and paste it. So I'm going to right click on button 2, select copy, and I'm going to right click again and just paste. So now I'm going to go over to my preview panel and I have two button 2s, so I'm just going to drag my second button that I just added down inside of my preview panel, and I'll need to move my exit button down as well. Okay. So once I have my buttons positioned where I would like them, I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my image and videos that I just brought in to the right so I can associate my buttons to my different pages. So I'm going to want one of my videos as my default page. So I'm simply going to drag this video over to default page. And for button 1, I'm going to want to use this image. So I'll drag it over the same way I did for default page. Button 2 will have this video, the new mission statement. And button 3, which is named button 2 right now, will have this image. So now let's rename our buttons so that they're not just named button 1, button 2, and button 2, because it doesn't make a lot of sense for us right now. So let's just name button 1 rainbow. So to do this, all you have to do is double click on this blue gear, go to edit text, and I'll just rename this to rainbow. Click OK. Button 2, we're going to do the same thing. Double click on our blue gear, edit text, new mission statement. Button 3, let's just name this one sign for now. So we'll double click on this blue gear, edit text, and do sign. Okay, So now let's test this out. I'll go to the top left first, and I'm just going to click on this hard drive to save. And you'll see right now my default video is playing. So I'm going to click on this Edit Test button to the top right inside of my preview panel. What I can do is I'm going to click on my rainbow button first. So we see our images being displayed here. Next, I'm going to test my new mission statement button. I selected this. We can see that our video is playing. Let's test our sign button. Alright, our image is being displayed. When we click exit, we should go back to our default content, which we are. So now you have successfully created a simple interactive project using the click to switch widget. This allows you to navigate between different types of media on the same page. More on this widget and other interactive widgets can be found on our support wiki at support.spinx.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.